What's going on? Welcome back to the vlog. Woo! Man, I have an addiction that I need to freaking stop. I don't know if you guys know about that, but I do have an addiction. Besides cigarettes, I have another addiction. It just take all my money and I can help and I try to stop and quit, but I just can't quit. I don't know how many of you got the same problem I have, but it seems like I can wait. You know what I mean? I just got this car probably 1 week maybe. I think I have this car for a week. And I'm already going crazy with it. You know what I'm saying? So let me show you what I got today, Sunday, from FedEx. Boom! I mean, look at this crap. You know what I mean? I can't even walk on my room anymore. I'm so sick of it. It's like stuff everywhere. I got boxes everywhere. You know what I mean? Like, look at this. This is just ridiculous. No more boxes. So this is my project now. I got the side skirts for the Mazda. This is the other side. I got the trunk spoiler that I need to paint. All these parts I need to paint them because they come on this focus. They come on this gloss black, but it's like, I don't know. It's not paint. You know what I mean? It's just the material that is like that. And it look like all scratch and stuff. And I don't like it. So I usually always, when I get pieces like this, I usually sand them and then paint them black. Just because I don't like the look, how they look like that. So I got this. This is gonna be for the trunk. Let me move this. Alright. This is gonna be for the trunk. This is gonna be the side skirts. Pretty dope. Now this is gonna be the rear lip. This is where the muffler go. So I need to paint this too. You know what I mean? Because if you see the material, it's just, I don't know, it's not black. I would love to put this the same color of the car. But my color is like a tricolor, like white pearl. And to match the color is a pain in the butt. So, I don't know. I don't know if I would put like a vinyl wrap just in this area right here. There you go. I don't know if I would put a vinyl wrap just in that area right there or what, but I'm really serious about, like, I would love to, like, I don't know, put like white somewhere in here just to change the looks. You know what I mean? 'Cause I love details, man. I love details. I love the like the little stuff. It made the car stand out like so much. You know what I mean? From everybody else. So just the little details, you know, like maybe get like a white pearl vinyl wrap and put it on this top part here, all the way to the other side right here. So like that, whenever you see it from the back, you know what I mean? You got that. I don't know, man. I'm thinking I'm probably do that. I probably get like a vinyl wrap and just vinyl wrap this. Cause I got a white pearl vinyl wrap that I use on the headlights, not on the headlight, but it's like a eyelid on, but it's like the bottom part of the headlight, and I put some on the tail lights. So I'm thinking about paint them black, and then put like a white vinyl on this top part, all the way to the other side, and then put a piece of white vinyl in this corner here, and make it go through this line. No, not this part, but just the outside part, just from here, like this, and then from here, like this, in white, and then paint everything black with this thing right here, with the white pearl. I think it would look so much nicer. I think it would look so much nicer. I'm gonna keep you guys updated. Remember what I said. I'm gonna keep you guys updated. Watch how this is gonna turn out. And then this right here, this is just gonna be straight up black, all black. So I need to paint this. So that's gonna be my next project. I was working today on vinyl wrapping the door handles black. I finished putting some vinyl wrap on the tail lights. I took the emblem from the back, I took it out. I got like this black circle, and then it got the chrome M. So what I'm doing is that I'm taking the chrome M out. Well, I took it out, painted black, and that's that black piece. I'm gonna put like a white pearl vinyl on it, and then I'm gonna put the M in black. When I finish it, watch. Take a note, man. If you got a Mazda 3, so you stand out. This came with this right here. This right here came with this. I don't know what is all this. This is like a rubber, and then the 3M tape, and then these two pieces. I really don't know what this is about. I'm thinking it probably gonna be like something to probably go over here. I'm thinking it probably be going here, like maybe the other way, like this. I'm thinking it probably be going here just to cover some up. I mean the holes match and the cut match too. So I'm thinking it probably go here. So at least this piece look like really nice black, you know what I mean? So I'm gonna leave this like this. I'm not gonna paint this. But then I'm pretty sure later on gonna have to get like a different exhaust. Not like maybe not the whole exhaust, but like the tips, because my tips they probably like I don't think they're gonna stick out. I think they're gonna be hiding in here because they kind of like hide, man. They not that. I don't know. We'll see. We'll see after I paint. It might be a little while. I need to get like a really sunny day to paint everything. So I'm planning on maybe paint everything the same day. Now I only got one can, so I'm probably gonna need another one. I'm pretty sure one can will be enough for me to paint this, to paint those two things and this. But to paint that whole thing, I don't know if one can will do it. I'm definitely gonna need another can. I mean, cause I know it's already black. So just because it's already black, it really don't need that I do like too many like, how you say, coats on it. Just because it's already black, and I'm just gonna put the gloss on it. So I believe with like 2 coats, it should be good. But I'm gonna have to get another can of paint. But anyway, update. I just wanna show you what I got here, and yeah, that's my addiction. I got a freaking addiction, man. I got a car and I have to freaking go crazy at it and hook it up as fast as I can. So yeah. But anyway, hit the like button, please support the channel. All this that I'm putting on my car is coming from my pocket. Ain't nothing coming from YouTube. Just so you know, I barely got like 50 subscribers, something like that. So yeah, it looked like I would never make money from YouTube. But anyway, I just like doing the video. So if you like it, please hit the like button. Subscribe if you want to subscribe and you want to see the journey on the Mazda 3. Hit the bell if you want to know when I upload a video. All right. So anyway, be safe. Until the next one, you already know.